Hey everybody, I am in the town of Valledupar. It's the capital of the department of Cesar. It's like the state of Cesar. You know, if we were in the US, it would be called a state. And I found just a beautiful, beautiful hotel. It's a little boutique hotel, and I'm going to show you around and kind of explain what I've been doing and where I'm going. So this is my room. This room is $50 a night. Comes with breakfast, a beautiful, very nice breakfast. It's a little boutique hotel, so there's only 7 rooms. Got Myrtle parked right outside my room. They've given her own little pad. They've even put a little rock behind her rear wheel. I've never had anybody do that before. Very sweet. For the last 10 days or so, I've been traveling through. The riding has been exceptional, but the towns have been really lacking. And hola, this is the owner, Josefina, with her friend. Very nice to meet you. And this is the kitchen. Hola. So this is where breakfast is. So yeah, so I've been like through these towns and they've just had nothing to offer touristically. The riding has been great. Like if you look at the map of where I've been, oh my God, it looks amazing. There's like rivers and lakes and inlets, and it looks like a birder's paradise, but there's no way to get to the water. Like if this was Mexico or Belize, you know, every hotel that I have stayed at would be working with a tour company, and you know, a van would come and pick people up and take you to the water and put you on a boat for a few hours, and you know, you could like explore the area, but there's just nothing like that here. It looks like when I get to the other side of the waterway, when I leave Cartagena, it's a lot more touristic, a lot more developed, and I'll be able to explore it from there. But for now, there just wasn't anything. It was a little bit disappointing. I was really looking forward to it, but I think I'll still be able to see it. You know, the best way to look at where I am is to check my blog. I have a blog. I have a blog that goes back 12 years. It's extensive. And the address for my blog is in the comment section below. So this is the reception area with a beautiful arched window and really heavy wooden shutters. It's really lovely. Yeah, so I have this blog. So if at the top of every page, I have a listing of a link to my Garmin information. So it has the map of where I've ridden and all the stats, like how fast, how far, how hot, how high I climbed, everything. So yeah. So I'll be here for a couple more days, and from here I'm going to be going to the coast. I'm like 2 rides from the coast, and I think everything's going to change from here. It's going to be a lot more touristic, just a lot more interesting things to explore and to see. The riding's been beautiful. I've had no complaints about the riding, but it's just like every town is just really hasn't had very much to offer. So I think that's about to change. All right, so I put together some clips of the last few days. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. I started my ride really early today, and I've gotten very lucky. I've found a road where like one side of traffic is under construction, and I met a couple of bikers going the other way and asked them if it was safe, and they said yes, probably for 4 kilometers. At first they said for 15, but there's some obstacle in the way that they didn't think I could get around on the trike, and so I'll have to move over to the highway, which so far really isn't that busy, but it's always nice to have your own road. And hopefully it'll be obvious what that obstacle is. Maybe a bridge is being built or something. They were on mountain bikes, so perhaps they were, you know, able to go through water or whatever the obstacle is. And then I can get back on it for probably, you know, 7-8 miles. So this should be pretty nice. vacas. Hola. I'm still on this road under construction. We'll see how long it lasts. I got off before, I'm not really sure what it was, the obstacle, but some motorcycles, a couple motorcycles passed me and I saw them get off, so I followed them. And quickly I was able to get back on. It's a lot of people up here. So here they got the big pot on the fire. And they're cooking up chicken. And they got potatoes and yuca, and the oil is getting ready to cook up the empanadas.
Empanadas de pollo.
Empanadas de pollo. With some yuca.
Yuca. El mesero.
Wow. Yay. Hola.
Hola, negro.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
Feliz Año Nuevo.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, it is so hot out here. Holy moly, it's got to be 100 degrees. I'm feeling like, you know, tuna searing on the grill. Coming into Valledupar. Got myself a bike lane. How about that? Hola. Hoy, Bosconia. Bye. Hola, caballo. Hola.